Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, rear-view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.